Meaning of Eastern Time.
Eastern Time.
Eastern Time.
Eastern Time.
Eastern Time. Eastern Time, ET, is a time zone in North America that is 5 hours behind Coordinated Universal Time, UTC-5. It is used in the eastern part of the United States and Canada. The Eastern Time Zone includes major cities such as New York, Washington, D.C., Atlanta, and Toronto. This time zone is also known as Eastern Standard Time, EST, which is used during the winter months when Daylight Saving Time, DST, is not in effect, and Eastern Daylight Time, EDT, which is used during the summer months when DST is in effect.